Today we're going to Vietnam. Well, not really. We're just going to pack for a trip to Vietnam on this episode of Beyond Your Socks and Undies. You know the drill. We'll start with the basics. Don't forget your passport, your wallet, some local currency, a toothbrush and toothpaste, a hairbrush, some soap and shampoo, a hat, sunscreen, a camera, a water bottle, insect repellent, comfortable walking shoes, some flip-flops, a rain poncho, a cardigan or a sweater, and a backpack, not a suitcase. At GAdventures, we like to dig a little bit deeper and give you some more insightful information for your destination. We don't just want you bringing what you need, we want you bringing the absolute best version of it. You're going to spend a lot of time on your feet in Vietnam, whether you're walking the bustling city streets or hiking the country's more remote regions. So at the end of the day, give yourself a little break. Pack a pair of flip-flops to slide into at your hotel. Your feet will thank you. You might know the old saying, there's no such thing as bad weather, only bad clothing. It's important to keep this in mind when packing for Vietnam. In May to October, the country gets a lot of rain, so you'll want to be prepared. A rain poncho might not be the most fashionable item, but it sure is functional. And they pack up super small, which means you can easily slip them into a day pack before heading out for a day of exploration. Remember what we said about the weather? Something you might not know about Vietnam is that it has a distinct winter, especially in Hanoi and the north. In with your light tees and loose-fitting pants, be sure to pack a warm cardigan or sweater. Temperatures in Vietnam's north can dip into the low teens in the winter, so you don't want to get caught off guard. And that's it! This episode of Beyond Your Socks and Undies is brought to you by the GAdventures Gear Shop. Our world deserves more you, and you deserve more cool stuff. Visit GAdventures.com/gearshop to check it out. Thanks for joining us. Our world deserves more you, and we hope you feel a bit more prepared to bring yourself to it. Have a great trip!